Is this the correct address?
Yes, that's the right place.
Can you turn up the volume?
Sure, how's that?
What did she mention about the event?
She said it's going to be postponed.
Is it fine to have just appetizers?
It's better to order some main courses as well.
Can you open the window?
Absolutely, I'll do that.
Is there a problem with this item?
No, everything seems fine.
What's your opinion on this proposal?
I think it's a good idea.
Do you know anyone in Germany?
No, I don't have any contacts there.
Could you speak a bit more clearly?
Sure, I'll try to be more precise.
What time do you usually start work?
I begin at 9 a.m.
Do you handle the gardening?
Yes, I take care of it on weekends.
Why aren't you getting out of bed?
I just want to relax a bit longer.
How do you spell your last name?
It's spelled like this.
Can I pay with a debit card?
Yes, we accept debit cards.
Have you booked the tickets?
Not yet. I'm still deciding.
What time shall we meet?
Let's meet at 4 p.m.
How's your health right now?
I'm feeling much better now.
Who is that person in the photograph?
That's my cousin.
What seems to be the issue?
I'm feeling a bit unwell.
Did you come by car?
Yes, I drove here.
Have you seen my email?
No, I haven't had a chance yet.
Do you have any free time later?
I'm busy after work, unfortunately.
Are you familiar with him?
Not really. I've only met him a few times.
Where will you be traveling this summer?
I'm planning a trip to Spain.
Can I take a video here?
Yes, you're welcome to.
When can you make it here?
I'll be there by 6 p.m.
How heavy is this package?
It's approximately 10 kilograms.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
What did you do today?
I went to work and then ran some errands.
Do you have any international friends?
Yes, I stay in touch with a few from different countries.
Will you be able to join us for lunch?
Unfortunately, I have a meeting during lunch.
When are you expected to arrive?
I should be there by 8 p.m.
What's your nickname?
My friends call me Alex.
Why are you upset?
I'm not upset, just feeling a bit down.
Your dog is very friendly.
Her name is Bella.
What's your current age?
I'm 25 years old.
What did you have for breakfast today?
I had a smoothie.
Are you feeling all right?
Yes, just a bit tired.
What's the final amount?
It's $200.
When will you be back home?
I should be home by 6 p.m.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother.
What day was it yesterday?
It was Wednesday.
How long did you live in France?
I lived there for 3 years.
May I see your phone?
Sure, here it is.
How old is your aunt?
She's 60 years old.
What's your friend's full name?
Her name is Emma Johnson.
Can you get me a drink?
Would you like water or something else?
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yes, I read a lot in my spare time.
Do you need any assistance with that?
No, I'm good for now.
Does this outfit look okay?
Yes, it looks great on you.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Where were you born?
I was born in Canada.
Will we make it on time?
I think so, unless there's traffic.
What's your budget for this trip?
I'm planning to spend around $500.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going hiking with friends.
Where do you want to go for vacation?
I'd love to visit Japan.
Can I ask you something?
Of course, go ahead.
What's that object on the shelf?
That's a vintage clock.
Do you prefer fruits or vegetables?
I prefer fruits.
Do you usually have dinner alone?
I often eat with my family.
Which option should I pick?
I think option 2 might be best.
Where did you spend your last holiday?
I spent it in the mountains.
How long is this tunnel?
It's about 500 meters long.
How much does this product cost?
It's priced at $75.
Can you operate a computer?
Yes, I'm quite skilled with computers.
Were you occupied yesterday?
Yes, I was busy with work and errands.
What's your ideal holiday activity?
I'd like to relax at a beach resort.
How can I assist you today?
I'm looking for a specific item.
How did your visit to Italy go?
It was wonderful. The food was amazing.
How's your new project going?
It's progressing well.
What's the largest city in your country?
The largest city is New York City.
Are you interested in going out tonight?
Yes, I'd like to.
What happened to your car?
It broke down on the way.
What should I do next?
Try contacting the support team.
Who gave you that advice?
A mentor shared it with me.